How's it going, guys? This is a very quick and messy unboxing of Dji Osmo 3. Believe it or not, we're in March of 2023 and I decided to buy one. Best Buy, it was the last one. I already did half-ass unboxing. I wanted to make sure this camera works before I drive away from Best Buy. Uploaded the software into it and doing some testing today. So this is just a plain Jane setup, the camera with little sticky mount, the frame for vertical video and pics, USB-C to USB-C cable. I think the set of stickers that came in this cam, DJI stickers, kind of same as the Apple stickers, kind of cool. Well, the camera, it's manufactured March of 2022. I just had no patience to order one online and wait for it. So I'm hoping this camera works and the focus issues are not on it any longer. So here's the camera, and I'm going to do some video and do full review of it. I really like the magnet on the bottom. It comes with only one, unfortunately, for the basic package, but I'm ordering some extra ones. Thanks for watching, and the full review of the Dji Osmo 3 coming soon.